Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you guys haven't tuned in the last week and a half, well, you haven't missed much because this is all I've been working on. So anyways, this pipe rack up here, we got the 4-inch, the 3-inch, 2-inch, and then some more 4-inch. So finally got to the corner today. Didn't raise any of the rack up, so actually got something done today. Probably going to start working on raising the racks tomorrow once we get the right tools and whatnot. But we turned the corner with, I think, all of these actually, or I think maybe we had one of those laid out yesterday, so we got the rest of these going, and then we still got a few more to go. So we got the 3-inch and the 4-inch right there, but made some good progress today, which I'm pretty happy about. Try not to trip out here backwards. So we got all these turning right here, going pretty straight, going down there. So those are all 4-inch, 4-inch, and that's the one 2-inch. And then those are the 3-inch for tomorrow, and then we'll have to throw some 4-inch up there. But what we got going on here, we got these going into the boxes right here. So these will have to get little pieces right here, and then these ones will have to get taken out and cut new pieces going into the box. But we got 4-inch going in here, 4-inch going in here. So we'll have to mark and cut the holes in here, just like those ones right there, going through the ceiling. And then the 2-inch pipe is going to be going into that hole right there by itself. So just add a strut right here, and then it'll be up to the ceiling right there. And then we got the 3-inch going in there, the 2 3-inch going in this box, and the 2 4-inch going into that box. And then yeah, I guess that's about it. But anyways, cut these pipes and shove them down with my coworker. And if you didn't know, my coworker's been helping me with all this stuff because one of these pipes is about 40 pounds a piece, so that's something I don't want to do by myself all day. That'll throw your back out real quick if you even try to do a couple of those, especially if you have to stick one of those pipes into a coupling, say on this side, and you have to do it 8 feet away, upside down with a strut, like on the other side over there. If it's hanging upside down, you have to 10 feet away, you have to stick it into the coupling, and it's just a nightmare. So anyways, coworker's been helping me with this the last week and a half or whatnot, so that's been very great, and I appreciate that. So just one of the newer apprentices, so that's been nice. Yeah, so working on cutting those eventually, and then working on these last 4 pipes right there, and the 2-inch going through the ceiling. So the last 5 pipes right there, and then cutting all the holes going into the boxes. So that's what we got going today, and we'll see what we get done tomorrow, and I'll see you guys back here tomorrow. Hopefully you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. See you guys back here tomorrow. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I do upload videos or do live streams. Thanks guys. See you tomorrow. Peace.